children. Okay, the last type of weather we are going to learn is a windy weather. Say it's windy. 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 W-I-N-D-E. Good job. So if you look at the picture, you will see the children playing outside with their kites. And you can see the wind. Can you see the wind? The cloud is white and the wind is blowing the children's kites. You remember the story we learned when we were doing the sound W in Jolly Phonics, right? The wind blew off the man's jacket and made the sound W. So what sound does the wind make? W, 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 W. So that is the sound of the wind. When you get that coming, you have to rush home. The wind has a lot of breeze. It can blow off your hat. It can blow off the kite. It can blow the trees. And when it's windy, the wind blows the leaves on the trees and everywhere becomes dirty. Look at the children playing outside. This is the wind. The wind is blowing their kite. You can see one of the girls is wearing a hat and the wind has blown off her hat and she's trying to hold it tight. Imagine you go outside wearing a dress like this and the wind blows it off when it's windy. The boy is holding an umbrella and the wind blows off the umbrella and destroys it. And look at him, is he sad or happy? He's sad. When the wind blows the leaves on the trees, the wind fall, they will all fall down. And everywhere will be so dirty that we'll need to clean them up. You can see the man holding a rake. He's trying to clean up the leaves because of the wind. When the wind blows off, all the leaves that have dried, that have changed their colors to orange, brown, green, yellow, they all fall down when it's windy. Look at the wind. The wind is blowing the man's umbrella. The wind is blowing the girl's hat off her head. The wind is blowing the trees. Do you think the wind is good? Say it's windy. It's windy outside. So every morning when you wake up, stand by your window, look outside and say how the weather is. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it stormy? Is it snowy? Is it windy? So, after watching this video, Mommy is going to give you some activities that you're going to do on the weather. Let me show you some of the activities.